We put the Emlid Reach RX2 to the ultimate test, achieving RTK fix under dense tree canopy. The results? Game-changing. Tree canopy has always been the nemesis of GNSS positioning. Limited satellite visibility means compromised accuracy. We tested both the original Reach RX and the new RX2 in identical conditions. Under tree canopy, the original Reach RX struggled maintaining only a float position. Float means reduced accuracy for professional surveying applications. The Reach RX2 in the exact same location achieved and maintained a fixed RTK solution. Consistent centimeter-level accuracy where its predecessor couldn't lock on. This is a fundamental leap in capability working in difficult terrains. Increased productivity, greater confidence in your data. The Emlid Reach RX2 with its multi-frequency GNSS support and tilt feature redefining what's possible in challenging GNSS environments. Don't let difficult conditions limit your capabilities.